This is my new favorite feature.
Hi everyone, my name is Alisha and I'm a software engineer on the enterprise engineering team here at Statsig. And today I'm super excited to announce a brand new feature called multivariate dynamic configs. So we do have dynamic configs currently in Statsig, but it works such that if a user passes a rule, they get served one JSON or they get served the default JSON. We've now added functionality to be able to add variants within one rule so that if a user passes a rule, they can get one JSON out of many that you specify. So dynamic configs are really useful in your application because when it's deployed and you have dynamic configs integrated within your code, any change that you make on our console will directly be reflected in your application without having to deploy it again. For example, if you take this dynamic config that I've created, which is just displaying the welcome message on your home page, I have three variants here, short, medium, long. And this basically means that all users who are US users will pass this rule and get one of these three variants. And if we open this up, we have our JSONs specified in here. You can also choose to add a variant, delete variants, and use that according to how you please. The users who don't pass this rule will be served the default JSON that you specify here. The users that also are allocated to the default value after they pass the rule will receive the default value JSON. For example, if I specify that each variant gets only 25% of the people who pass this rule, that means my default will get the rest 25% traffic of the people who pass this rule in my dynamic config. Try it out in console today.